Still concerned that the kitchen layout may not align with actual operational needs? This is the planning proposal for the St. Lucia Hospital Kitchen project. Our 3D kitchen design provides an immersive 360 degrees preview, accurately recreating an efficient and hygienic workspace to ensure every workflow and pathway meets medical-grade standards. Space efficiency enhancement. Maximize kitchen utilization, optimize meal delivery routes for medical staff, and improve meal service efficiency and dietary experience. Healthcare compliance assurance. Strictly adhere to international healthcare standards, facilitating smooth passage through medical audits and safety inspections. Full visualization before construction, effectively avoiding on-site modifications and additional costs. Customized healthcare kitchen solutions. Tailored space planning and equipment configuration based on hospital meal service, nutritional support, and infection control requirements. SHINELONG assists you in precisely building a safe, efficient, and international standard hospital kitchen system. We welcome your inquiries and collaboration.